Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hey guys, Cayz and Hart back again. Today we're bringing you an unboxing of the Adidas Ultra Boost limited edition 5-year anniversary of Boost. So the first Boost shoe by Adidas was the Energy Boost in 2013, and these take styling cues from that shoe. So let's get to it. Comes in a standard Boost box. Nice NMD print in here, wasn't expecting that, might try and get that framed. Standard tissue paper. And we'll just get the shoes. Cast this aside. So, as you can see, these are a standard 4.0. You've got your core black upper and then your white boost. Two-tone TPU cage, haven't seen this in a while. And then it's a 3D printed heel cup, which is only on the 4.0s. So the key features of this shoe is the prime knit has 3M incorporated into it, so I'll show you that in a bit because that looks really cool. And then obviously the yellow touches, which take the styling cues from the very first Energy Boost. So you've got your lace ends, the tag up here, torsion bar, and then the insole is Boost. So I really love these shoes, I'm going to be wearing them a lot. So let's get to an on foot. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop a comment down below telling us your thoughts on the shoe. Do you like them? Do you not? Are you going to get a pair? Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Catch you later.